I got a harebrained phone call at about noon today that said gonna drive up in the mountains and pick up a shit box.
Only 4 short hours away, brother.
So
leave it 2.
Yeah. Yeah, we left Oakland at 2. We're going to Redding, basically 4 hours away. Mike, he got a line on some new rock crawler, semi-built, already built, more built than my truck. And can't really beat the price, so we're going to check it out with him. We're going to meet him up in Davis, and hopefully he brings a trailer and a pocket full of cash.
Yeah. God-awful paint job.
Yeah.
The alternator looks good, though. I mean, the battery looks good, though.
Yeah, we're good. So we're up here in the middle of nowhere, 4 hours from home, buying, what are we buying, Mike?
Buying a 1994 Toyota 4Runner.
Buying a 94 4Runner, rock crawler, all ready to go. Gonna check it out at night, in the dark, in someone's backyard.
What could go wrong?
And we're probably gonna drive it home because the Ford's about to break down.
Slightly. A little above half.
Okay.
I mean, it works normally out.
Alright, it might just be a vent boost terminal too. That's what it was.
Probably one of those batteries bouncing around.
Well, I'm excited for the potential disaster we're about to be in.
You just had to say we have sleeping bags.
We don't have sleeping bags, we don't have water, we don't even have a tool to tighten the battery.
Oh, yeah. My cell phones are almost dead. Can't charge it because the battery's going to be dead. You know, it's getting exciting. We spend the night out here. Maybe at this guy's house. You know, who knows?
Yeah, probably the nicest guy in the world. We'll get this thing fixed up in his driveway.
How about some steak dinners, boys?
We'll be out of your hair at 2 o'clock. Don't worry about it.
You got a set of 14mm wrenches.
We'll be out of here in no time. Don't worry.
You got a spare tow hitch, a spare receiver hitch for the 4Runner so we can tow this Ford back.
What is this old Lincoln Tombstone motor?
The light was flickering, but honestly, now it's not doing it.
Yeah, that's all right.
Yeah, it's probably fixed.
Fix itself.
You're banging this left up here, Mike.
Yeah. Oh God, I hope this truck doesn't die on us. If
Let's
it dies
see.
in the fucking driveway, I'm gonna be so fucking pissed.
You using the new 4Runner to jump it, you know?
Well, I wasn't sure if I wanted to buy it, but you know what? Now I'm going to.
Got a good tow service right there. So you guys are deep shit.
How long does it take to get AAA out here? Well, on a good day, we get about 3 hours.
Yeah. This Ford will be parted out before we come back from dinner.
The battery did go down to half.
No, you're good. You're good.
I think you might be right, Carter. You might want to buy an alternator on the way home. Oh, but now it went back up.
Yeah, you're good.
That's not what you want to see, though. You don't. It should be steady.
Hey, nothing's wrong. Nothing's wrong until it's wrong. There's no sense worrying about it.
You might need it.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get this thing at a deal now.
It's 188 6
7.2.
7.2? No, 6.2.
On the outside, the alternators are super easy to change.
It is right on top.
Oh, there it is. No, it's not. No, it's
Hey,
not.
don't get us worked up like that.
Your destination.
There it is. I see it. Up on the left.
Oh yeah, that's that red house right there.
Oh, I see it. There we go.
Nose this fucker right in there. Get us all jammed up.
Bound up and dead, yeah. He can't even get out to get us a fucking alternator.
Let's park it right in front of his truck so that way we got no problems.
Crash into his fence. He's like, why has this guy got a light on it? Get the gun. Get the gun.
Oh, brother.
How's it going?
Man.
Not too bad.
You can fall all the way in there.
Oh.
Trail rig. You know, we're not looking at the fucking creek mouth. You know what I mean?
I might be. Let's try that.
Yeah, see, you know the gears. That's why I like to drive it. I don't know the fucking gears.
So this is going to be low,
Okay.
and then
likes shifting.
I don't have twin sticks though.
So you go
It's
down
just
the
forward and back for either of them. That's it. You're just
That one's
bound
not
up.
moving
You're
now.
just bound up right now. Yeah, that's 4.7. That's low. In second gear too.
You have to hold it.
Your low range is pretty good, huh?
Holy fuck, that's low range?
Yeah.
Woo! That's sweet. Oh, I like that.
Yeah.
I like that. Oh, Nelly.
I fucking understand these, but
What?
4.7 is this one, right?
Yep.
No. That's 2 and 4.
This should be.
That's the
This should be
knobs
low
are
and-
switched. The knobs are switched.
I mean, right.
But now you're nothing.
Now you're neutral.
Okay, that's neutral. That's okay. All right. That should be 4-wheel, and that should be 2-wheel.
Okay. What about that one?
That's just a high range and low range box.
Oh, okay.
So that's low. That's high.
I see.
So we'll cruise around with
That's
like that.
yeah.
That's just your that's your regular low range.
Go this way and then go around the tree and then that way. So you either go around that tree or around this.
Pull it up on this stump.
So what do you think? Is this thing worth it or what?
I don't know.
Oh, what do you got in that corner there? Some goats?
It needs work. I mean, we know that. It's goats. That's goats. There you go. Is it a 5
I
or
mean, there's like a lot of loose shit, right?
Yeah.
I wish it wasn't loose.
So it's been beat and not in the way wet.
Should I be putting oil on this way? Around the house, is that right?
Sit around the house. I won't do that that way.
Whatever you want.
Oh, no. Don't go
I
that
don't
way.
think we go that
No,
way.
go back up.
Crash into a tree. Sam, I can't see.
Sorry, bud. How about now? Does that help?
What do you think? 6 grand?
Yeah.
5 grand.
I was thinking 5, but I don't want to.
I mean, it's got
It does have all this.
it's got a lot of shit that needs addressing.
Go that way left.
It's got almost like the transfer case needs to come back out. It doesn't really, but almost like it does.
Yeah, with the loose, everything loose, it needs
It needs
but it
a
has everything that we want. And regardless, it
Yeah,
is-
but if it doesn't work, it's not worth shit. You know what I mean?
yeah.
You just gotta buy it again. Just cut through here, brother. You said go right through the house. It's fine, right? 4-wheel through here. Right over the lawn.
What was that?
that water main.
Sprinkler.
Go take it on the road and get some high range.
We're just gonna take it around the freeway for a minute. No. That run's pretty rough, but
Be smart about it. I don't want to, you know. There you go. Carry him with you. Awesome. Oh, almost.
What do you think, Mike? Is she gonna be yours?
We'll see.
Gotta get a walk around in this thing in the light. Got a Chevy 44 up front, 14 bolt, 3 liter, 5-speed, dual cases, 4.7. Detroit, I think, in the rear. She's a
It's the right thing to do.
she's a beater. Just what the doctor ordered.
pressure wash some of the stuff right off.
Yeah.
Bring it back
Right
to
back
its
to
original
red.
shade.
Try to get the tire in.
I really do.
Can't get it in
I
almost.
like everything about it.
These are like bigger.
Oh, Sam, you should have been there at Hollister, bro.
You got
I was out there
fucking-
trying to load the trailer, and I parked on like a slope, you
Yeah.
know, like so it was like off pasture and or off camber, and I slid off the trailer.
Really?
Trying to get like correct on it, like my ramp kicked out and like put me on sideways. I'm trying to straighten her out, and like so wide that it's pretty fair. I can't see. Just drive at it.
You got 3-wheel drive.
Is that hub locked or no?
Oh, no.
You want me to guide you? Can I lock that up?
Yeah, lock the hub up.
That's how I let it off mine. I locked on one up and sent it off the back of the trailer. Little sketchy could start walking me sideways. I was like, don't fall off.
Well, if
Put
you
it down, put this thing in my own driveway.
if he rolls it, he might want some money back on it. No guarantees.
Right. It ain't been locked the whole time.
Was it locked?
Oh, maybe that's why it was sketchy on the road.
It's pulling out one tire.
Yeah.
Alright, stay right here. Hey, let's go on the shot. Asshole. No, it's fine. Just go forward. Just go in second gear.
Bump it. Back it up and bump it.
Get him up.
There you go. That's not low. Yeah, yeah. Go get him squared away. That's not low enough.
Oh yeah, the other one's 4-wheel drive and 2-wheel drive. I'm getting the sticks all mixed up.
The knobs are on the wrong sticks, aren't they?
No, they're on the 6.
Are they?
Yeah.
I'm gonna miss all the action.
You'll see it in the next video. Oh, dude, you're dialed.
You're a little wide.
Fit right on there.
Yeah, it should be fine.
Yeah, a little right. A little right. You'd be all right.
Nice truck.
Hey. Hey. You're not in 4-wheel drive.
Huh?
You're not in 4-wheel drive.
How about now?
Nope.
Yeah, it takes a minute. Next, no.
Come on. Is that moving the trailer?
Yeah, moved the whole entire truck over.
It did, didn't it?
Yeah.
I think it's. Yeah. That's it. That's it.
These are ramps. If
Yeah.
you have that other hub. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. With the other hub, it just like shoots me straight to the left. So let's just do the ramps for now. That's how it was when I was backing off my car trailer. I asked him to start walking sideways. What's up? No, don't worry about it. I'm going to take the ramps on. Yeah, normally I would. Yeah,
You go for a little ride?
Having fun already, huh? Money well spent.
I won't even make up the trailer.
Is it in 4-wheel drive at least?
Yeah.
Now it is.
Okay.
Now it is.
Four-wheel drive,
I don't know. The twin stick thing's new.
You have a twin stick.
I don't.
Oh, that's
No, I
right.
never-
You have 3 sticks. He only has 2.
I think it's like 175.
What's the benefit? The only benefit is that you can get super low two-wheel drive, right?
Yeah.
That's it. That's the only.
And you do now, things idle.
Smooth as silk now.
It just needed some love.
I just had to plug that connector back in.
It needed someone to care about it. Spend $5 grand on it. Little driver, little driver, 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 driver. Yeah, there you go. Little more driver. Straight. Yeah. Oh, you're probably good. Yeah, you're probably good.
You okay?
Yeah, hop out and take a look. Looks good to me.
I knew it, man. Oh, yeah.
I mean, it's about centered, no?
Go over a little bit, driver.
Yeah, you almost fucking fell off the trailer.
Not that far of a drop. Right?
You were on the top of that last wheel, and this whole tire was off the edge of the
I
trailer.
think, boys, we're going to need a bigger trailer.
I just weld some extensions on right there, right where it's gonna sit.
You're probably old as fuck.
Well, boys, we went to Reading, and Mike bought a truck, and it's rad. That's it. Well, you'll see this on the channel again soon. We're gonna spend some wrench time on it. Basically just tighten all the bolts. That's all it needs.
Get a hub.
It needs a hub and every single bolt on this thing tightened. And then it's good to go. Maybe a roll cage. But you'll see it on the channel soon. So, Mike, congrats. Welcome to the Toyota Club. Again.
First of many bad decisions.
We won't be so embarrassed of you now. All right, we'll see you next time.